एक्चुअली बहुत सालों पहले मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स के थ्रू इस इंसिडेंट के बारे में सुना था, फिर न्यूज़ आर्टिकल्स में थोड़ा देखा, कल स्क्रीनिंग पे मैंने एपिसोड्स देखे एंड फिर मैंने रिसर्च किया एंड तब से आई हैवंट बीन इन गुड स्टेट ऑफ माइंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंटेंस द डिटेल्स एंड एवरीथिंग। आई विल स्टार्ट विद यू अली। कहते हैं एक्टर्स के लिए तो क्या है, उनका किरदार उनको स्विच ऑफ करना है, स्विच ऑन करना है, बट यू नो दिस रोल, इस कहानी का हिस्सा होना, आई वॉज लेफ्ट विद इमोशंस, आई वॉज लेफ्ट विद डिफरेंट इमोशंस, आई वॉज एंग्री, फ्यूरियस। What kind of emotions you were left with after finishing the show?
I think, and rightfully, it leaves you with a lot of emotions. ये इफ़ेक्ट इसका मुझे ये स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने के बाद हुआ था, और जो सीरीज़ ऑफ इमोशंस मैंने फील किए थे वो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने के बाद हुए थे. आई लेट इट अफेक्ट मी, आई वेंट थ्रू इट. जब हम सेट पे पहुँचे, आई थिंक उस वक्त तक मैंने उन इमोशंस को जयप्रकाश तक ही रखा, क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत ज़रूरत थी. बिकॉज ही इज़ ऑल्सो अ पर्सन जो ज़्यादा दिखा नहीं पाता है, एंड ही ट्राइज टू कीप एवरीथिंग इनसाइड बिकॉज ही हैज़ टू सॉल्व दिस. इज़ अ बिगर प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व, बिगर थिंग्स टू अचीव, द नेक्स्ट थिंग एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग. एंड सो उस लिहाज से अगर मैं देखूँ तो मैं शायद बच गया. लेकिन हाँ, वो टर्मोइल वहाँ तक रखने में भी कुछ दिक्कतें आई, बट उसके लिए मेरे डायरेक्टर्स थे, माय राइटर्स, इन्होंने बहुत हेल्प की. It will. I think it will. In retrospect, I think it will. Right now I'm being very, candid and easy about it, and even on set, I think that's my way of dealing with things. That the short breaks and I jolt myself out and just start faffing around or joking around or talking or find the next person I can speak to about the most trivial thing, khana ya kuch bhi. But it's important to do that so that maybe I think every part, every character also requires a certain process. So I don't commit to one thing. Yeah, but it's not about my process right now. I think this, yeah.
What were the moments, like were there moments that emotionally affected the writing room?
Yeah, for sure, because it was not an easy one to write. It's intense, and for us to tell the story, we also have to feel deeply, and we're feeling deeply for all characters in different ways. For JP's character, there was a different emotion. With the parents, there was a different emotion. For the perpetrators, it was a different emotion, and then of course we also have the children. So, but if we as storytellers don't feel it with that intensity, we wouldn't be able to bring it out. So definitely we went through a lot of churn, but it was also like expression of art is also a very liberating process. So you feel it, you process it, you put it on words, and when that clicks, everything comes together, you feel a joy also. So there is also like a catharsis of what we feel.
You guys are in Delhi, and Delhi is कहानी का core है, right? The incident happened in Delhi. 1970s का Delhi was different, जहाँ का अब Delhi different है. तो उस atmosphere को create करना, how challenging was it?
It was very challenging. एंड हमने ये चैलेंज हमारे ऊपर लिया था क्योंकि हमको वो उसी तरीके से दिल्ली को दिखाना था, उसी ऑनेस्टी के साथ उस टाइम पे जैसे दिल्ली हुआ करता था. तो इसलिए पहले तो बहुत सारी रिसर्चेस हुई, देयर वाज लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ रिसर्च. कुछ इन्होंने किया था उनके राइटिंग के टाइम, कुछ वापस मेरे आने के बाद वापस रिसर्च हुआ टू अंडरस्टैंड. मेरा जो क्रू है, जो हमारे प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइनर है, जो हमारे शैलजा, जो हमारे कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइनर है दर्शन, जो हमारे सिनेमाटोग्राफर है सोमो, सो उनके साथ मिलके हमने काफ़ी डिटेल में और रिसर्च किया ताकि इसको ऑर्गेनिकली दिखा सके. इसीलिए हमने कभी भी कोई सेट नहीं बनाया है, हमने एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे जाके शूट किया है.
ऑल रियल लोकेशंस.
तो ताकि लाइट भी हमने नेचुरल लाइट यूज़ किया है. हमने कभी भी वैसा लाइट नहीं आर्टिफिशियली उसको, मतलब दिन को रात या रात को दिन वैसे नहीं किया है. हमने एक्चुअली जो था जैसे था वैसे हमने दिखाने का कोशिश किया. एंड इट हेल्प्स इन एवरी वे. इट हेल्प्स मी सी द ऑनेस्टी ऑफ दैट सीन when it's being portrayed, also for the actors also, you know, it becomes very easy to, you know, understand that moment, understand that time, that atmosphere and everything.
Sandeep, it's very important, I feel, as a viewer, to एक देखना कि एक बैलेंस मेंटेन है एक फैक्ट्स में एंड ड्रामेटाइजेशन में एज अ राइटर ऑल्सो एज अ को क्रिएटर हाउ डू यू टेक दिस थिंग लाइक एक बैलेंस मेंटेन करना कि हम गलत नहीं जा सकते एक कहानी रियल कहानी है
जी, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो है, मतलब एक कहानी को अच्छे से दिखाना, बट कहानी जो है कि रियलिटी से इंस्पायर्ड है, बट उसको एक ड्रामेटाइज करके एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से लोगों को दिखाना तक एक चैलेंज है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम वी आर अवेयर कि वी आर नॉट मेकिंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री, वी आर मेकिंग अ शो जहाँ पे कि हमें क्राइम असली तरीके से दिखाने से बात कर रहे थे. प्रोशित बोल रहे थे कि हम लोग ने रियल लोकेशन में शूट करा है, तो हमें एक ऑथेंटिसिटी भी चाहिए थी उसकी. एट द सेम टाइम हमें एक उसमें ड्रामा भी चाहिए था. ड्रामा इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि रियल लाइफ के इवेंट होते हैं, बट वो उसमें इतने it's traumatic, it's hard, it's pretty like depressing, but you have to show it in interesting manner, you have to show it so it's watchable, it's palatable. So that was balance that we're trying to create, ki we are creating drama which is intense, but at the same time we are also creating a world, creating like people and characters around them which are making it watchable, which are making those dramas interesting to watch and move forward.
Being an actor, हम यूजुअली फिल्म मेकर्स को बोलते हैं कि एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उन पर है, बट एक्टर्स पे भी होती है एथिकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. यू आर पोर्ट्रेइंग अ रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर, तो डू यू कंसिडर दोज एथिकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बिफोर पोर्ट्रेइंग एनी सच कैरेक्टर?
I like to think I do, in some way or form. Sometimes the worlds you are part of don't allow that. Sometimes when they do, then you want to do right by you and by everything else, when you can, every time you can. This was a project where I felt those things came into play, and I tried to put in whatever I could from my end. Let's see, I actually haven't seen anything, not even what you've seen, so I have actually the least amount of idea in this room about what it has actually been made into, but I have a lot of faith. I think it will be interesting.
It was shot last
1978.
Yes, last year between March and July.
That this show explores her parent like nightmare, right?
Yeah.
And you are a father now, so like you haven't seen the show now, but you have gone through the process. So do you think now you can connect it better with the story, with what parents go through?
Yes, I like to think it would land much heavier now. Also, as actors, we I'm not saying we are trained, but there's something about this is our study material, right? To be able to have extreme compassion and empathy at all times from all people. So I have to really truly understand and observe just life force, humanity on all sides of all dimensions, which means even if I'm not a parent, I would have tried to really understand what that catharsism is all about. It's not a very nice picture, no matter where you are, which side of the story you are on, and it doesn't take much to also understand that. Nowadays we are seeing that constantly bombarded on our screens. So I don't think of course, I'm not saying it in a bad way, but I'm saying for anybody, it should not also be an excuse ki, oh, I don't know that pain. It's yeah, we know all permutation and combinations of that. We've chosen to numb ourselves out and not be too sensitive to these things anymore by default of the creation of, let's say, these mobile phones and the constant jarring visuals we get. So I think once in a while we do need cinema like this to come and sort of just shake you up a little, and say that one thing still matters amongst all the chaos.
Over the years many things have changed. Movie badla hai, log badle hai, but dehshat to hai na abhi. I will be honest with you, I am 30-year-old. I live with my parents. My mother has my location. अगर मैं घर अगर late पहुँचती हूँ, she calls, she asks, and मुझे खुद डर लगता है, to be honest, अकेले रात में 12 बजे के बाद निकलने में। तो मैं अपने मम्मा के पास लोकेशन है, भाई के पास लोकेशन है। बट जब मैंने कल शो देखा, मैंने इमेजिन किया उस टाइम तो टेक्नोलॉजी भी नहीं थी। तो इस इंसिडेंट के बाद पेरेंट्स को कैसा लगा होगा, क्या दहशत आई होगी, लाइक फोन्स नहीं है। तो मुझे वो इमेजिन करके ही इतने क्वेश्चंस आए कि व्हाट दे वेंट थ्रू। सो आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू गाइस, लाइक कि रिसर्च जब करी, डिड यू मीट विद दोस फैमिलीज?
उन लोगों से बात नहीं करी, like you know all our parents actually lived in that era, you know. I am from Madhya Pradesh, Anusa is from Pune, Prochit is from Calcutta, you know, Ali is from Delhi and like Lucknow of course. So we all, but all our parents have heard those things. So whenever we, like you know, matlab these realities, those realities, that the events that changed, you know, that people are all aware of, you know. And what changed the nation, what like you know brought in that idiom, don't trust the stranger, you know, that is what came along. And this, like you know, even that we are talking about, it changed the character of the city, it changed the character of people, it changed something, like you know, a bit of humanity was lost that day, you know. That, so it's a sense of loss, but the same sense of hope also at the same time we are trying to build. So yeah.
Also, I think even if the story was like 50 years ago, the parental instinct at that time to now is the same. So, you know, we didn't have to talk to people from that time to know what it would mean for someone to lose anybody, like, you know, parent of course, but we all know what that feeling of loss is, and that's where we built it up on.
Yeah, we kind of focused on this one particular incident, but there are many such incidents which are happening every day. So, you know, we didn't need to talk to those parents, those particular parents, to understand the trauma. You know, we are hearing about it, we are reading about it every day. So, you know, for us, it's a collective, you know, thing. It's a collective research. जिसका ही result is our show.
Speaking of other actors, they have done so well. Yeah, Sonali, how is it like working with her?
It was fantastic, you know, from day one when she came on set. You know, it's one way of looking at it is that, you know, she herself is a mother,
Yeah.
so she understands that, you know, that whole grief, that whole pain a mother goes through. So seeing her portray that, and we have never seen her doing that before, right? So it was such an amazing, you know, her craft is so beautiful, and she herself is so beautiful. So you know, it was a joy for us to work with such an amazing actor like her.
I'm sure you all were in awe of her,
Absolutely.
right?
Absolutely.
We are all like fans.
How can I not be?
We can gush about her forever.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You know, Ali, like first time cop role?
Yes, first
Yeah.
time cop role.
तो कई बारी जैसे होता है, ऐसा कॉप रोल करूँगा, ये डायलॉग्स बोलूँगा, ऐसे एंट्री करूँगा. You guys have worked in Singham again.
None of that. None of that. मैं तो, yeah, I mean, the costume also, even the uniform was very age appropriate, right? So it was a very different vibe and skin to get into. But yeah.
यूनिफॉर्म पहन के कुछ आया that different.
हाँ यार, वो तो है, कुछ तो है, उसकी बात ही अलग है. या
मतलब इट्स नॉट ओनली हिम, उनका तो एक अलग उनका जो प्रोसेस है पार्ट ऑफ दिस, बट हमको भी यू नो पहली बार हम लोग जब जयप्रकाश को देखा यू नो ऑन द डे ऑफ द लुक टेस्ट, हमको भी काफ़ी
हमें वैसे किक्स आ रहे थे कि अरे वाह ये बेल्ट देखो, अभी का बेल्ट कैसे है, प्रीवियस बेल्ट वाज, वी वर गेटिंग लाइक वेरी लाइक किक्स आउट ऑफ दीज स्मॉल थिंग्स कि अली तो है ही कॉप, बट वी वर एडमायरिंग व्हाट ऑल हैज चेंज्ड फ्रॉम दैट टाइम टू नाउ, बट व्हाट ऑल इज स्टिल द सेम.
रंग भी, वर्दी का रंग भी अलग होता था. जो बेल्ट थी, बेल्ट अभी जो बकल होता है वैसा नहीं होता था, बहुत अलग होता था उसमें.
Hawaldars were wearing
Blue ones, blue shorts they were wearing.
yeah, while the Delhi police was not.
They revolted.
They had
They had revolted. Yeah.
very interesting.
Yeah.
That was the, I think, the shift. That
Yeah.
Just before that.
Just before.
Yeah.
And Delhi was just becoming a commissionerate, so it was a very interesting time to explore.
Yeah.